Hey guys, welcome back. I have UAG Plasma Series Case for Galaxy Note 8. It is drop test protected, military standard by the way. And it comes with 3 layers of protections. So armor shell, shock cushions, and impact resistant rubber. And a lot of features as you can see over here. So here it is, the plasma case for Note 8. A stylish yet sturdy one. So as you can see, this is the rubber that provides the protection for Note 8 between the case and solid case, transparent design for Plasma series. And here is the outlook. Alright, on Galaxy Note 8 itself, nice to hold by the way, and easy to access all the buttons, power button over here and the plastic cover. Holding is good, and here's the volume rocker and big C buttons, and it weighs around 35 grams for your informations. And I lashed all the large port opening over here, as you can see. Easy to access the mic, the USB port, and even pull out the S Pen as well. Easy access everything, yet still provide protection to all of them. Alright, and have a look on the opening for the camera and heart rate sensor and fingerprints. As you can see, there's a little curve over here on the fingerprint sensor. Yep, and still thick enough to provide the protection when dropped. And I like the design on the top. There are a little chin out on top and bottom to provide protection while dropping on face down. But as you can see, this is a curved screen, so the side don't have any kind of protection to protect it. Do take note on that. Only on top and the bottom part have protection. There are 4 colors to choose for Plasma series: I, H, Cobalt, and Citron. My I spiced away, and build quality is top notch as expected from UAG, and provide stylish look nonetheless. Okay, 3.5mm audio jack, a big one as you can see, still able to plug in and hold it well. It can support even the USB Type-C adapter with quite some size over there, so they still can connect with a large opening on the USB port. Wireless charging is supported, as you can see, fast charging over here. Well, that's it. This is UAG Plasma Series Case for Galaxy Note 8. A stylish yet sturdy one, provide a lot of protections for your Galaxy Note 8, no matter on front or on back protection. This is one case that you want to get. One of the best case for Note 8 nonetheless. Thumb up if you like this video, subscribe and share it out. Peace. I will see you again.